Hi, this is Chris Gebhardt with NetApp. Today we're going to be talking about enabling the virtual data center with RCU 3.0. The virtual data center is comprised of applications, compute, network, and storage resources. Traditionally, these components rely on their own management tools as well as VMware's vCenter server to provision and manage the infrastructure. NetApp has created a suite of VMware vCenter plugins. These give the virtual administrator the ability to monitor, manage, provision, and configure the virtual data center from within the vCenter client. Today we're going to be talking about NetApp's RCU 3.0 and its ability to manage and provision the virtual data center. Storage provisioning with RCU 3.0 allows storage administrators to easily provision data stores for Fiber Channel over Ethernet, Fiber Channel, iSCSI, and NFS. RCU is integrated into the VMware vCenter client and allows administrators to manage deduplication, manage thin provisioning, and perform storage management tasks. RCU 3.0 gives administrators the ability to rapidly clone and redeploy both server and desktop virtual machines. And NetApp provides the RCU API, which allows our customers and partners to further integrate into their cloud environments. RCU 3.0 enables a virtual data center. Now we're going to conduct a demonstration. First, we're going to create a data store. We're going to right-click on the cluster, select NetApp, Provision Data Stores, select the storage controller we wish to provision to, click Next, select the data store type, NFS or VMFS, enter in some details here, 500 gig is the size we're going to make it, call it Demo Data Store, and you select the VMware aggregate, select thin provisioning to thin provision the volume. We're going to set the auto increment space management policies and click Next and apply. I'll open up the task window here, and as you can see, it's creating the NetApp data store, and it's going to automatically attach the data store to both of the ESX hosts within the cluster. And there you go, Demo Data Store. For this part of the demo, we're going to create some rapid clones. We're going to go into Virtual Center Server here and right-click on the template, create new data stores. We're going to select the controller we want to provision to, select the cluster, click Next. We're going to keep the VMDK format the same, which is thin by default for NFS. Create 256 clones with the name of accounting. Start at number 1, increment by 1. Apply the guest customization specification for accounting. Click on Power On, import into View Manager, or your connection broker, which is VMware View in this case, and create new data stores and click Next. Then we're going to go ahead and create a data store, or data stores, 8 for this particular example. Accounting, we're going to call it, create 500 gig in size, in the VMware aggregate, thin provision, and then we're going to set our space management policies to auto grow. And click OK. Select it and click Next. And Next again. We're going to enter in our VMware View connection broker credentials. And we're going to create a manual pool in this case. We're going to see if there's any existing pools. And it says no, there's not. So we're just going to create a new pool. We're going to make it persistent in this case. Call it accounting. Click Next. Review our configuration information. And click Apply. So for this demonstration, we're going to redeploy some virtual machines from a new baseline. So we're going to go into our vSphere client. We're going to go find the rapid cloning utilities icon. We're going to select redeploy. It's going to rescan for the baselines that are out there already. This could be a new baseline. This could also be a snapshot of an existing baseline. So if you wanted to redeploy from a previous snapshot, you can. We're going to select the clones that we want, one or all of the clones that have been created from this baseline. And we're going to click Next. We have the ability here to use the current settings or apply a new guest customization specification. We click Apply, and within minutes you'll have read baseline clones. So the NetApp advantages for RCU are server desktop deployments, simplified management, storage efficiency with deduplication built in, error reduction and following the NetApp best practices, and reduces both CapEx and OpEx. And as we mentioned, we have over 1 million View desktops deployed and powered by NetApp. Thank you and have a great day.